Frank, what are you doing? TriStar 4x4. Like and like, follow, and subscribe. The fake.
Jeff, don't die! You still have an open seat.
If he's gonna do it, you want to be in the passenger seat, right?
Your wife is very upset that you didn't take her.
I feel.
Did you get back up here again? Is he in the truck with Brennan? Probably. Yes, he's in the back seat. Is Danny with him? Yeah, I see you now.
thought, just less.
If it's mixed in with other proteins, then absolutely, but not bologna straight out.
I like bologna too.
I got some bologna too.
That's a lot better.
Got some bologna, some cheese. A little soy sauce on that shit. That sounds like eating sushi.
Fuck, it's getting worse.
You're a shitty body worker.
Fuck up, bro.
Hey, just fucking hit it right. You gotta hit it with your purse or what? Hey, you know what the problem is?
Ah, there we go.
Hey, you know what the problem is? You hit it last time with the fucking door open.
Hey, look. Did you hear anything?
Pour it down your nose.
No,
Yeah.
I don't do that.
I need to check the front left.
Oh, you were at that. What's the difference?
There's different models.
No, like in the sound.
Let's go!
Just phone everybody in the top.
Hey, don't do that.
Oh,
Do that driver's seat, not passenger.
I didn't see shit.
Shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
Fuck!
I don't know who's taking the pictures.
I was about to say, you better find out that that's not metal right there.
Random airbag.
Always is bring a fly.
TriStar 4x4, like, follow, and subscribe.